Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to check different charts in angel broking. So if you are a first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you would like to open account with angel broking, I provide a link here. Please use this link to open free demat and trading account, and all the details like different candlestick chart, bar chart, color bar chart, line chart, hollow candlestick chart, mountain chart, base line candlestick, volume candle, all the basic details I provided in the description of this video. If you read all this in, you will get a much more idea. Now we will go directly to angel broking app. In angel broking app, how you will take it is, first you select an equity which you would like to monitor. Just press on it. Now you can see here option chart directly. Press on this chart. Now their chart window will be open. When it opens, it will be on vertical. Here you can see 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, like that. First I am turning the screen to make it horizontal, which will be easy to understand. Okay, here you can see this candlestick image here. That will, if you click on it, you can see all type of chart here, bar, all this. First I am selecting candlestick. By default it is selected. So I will explain a basic idea about candlestick, how to understand. I am zooming this one. So in candlestick you can see two types of candles. One is green, one is red. Green indicate uptrend, red indicate downtrend. In this I am zooming one to explain you better. Okay, now we will take a green. The left bottom point indicates starting point of this is actually 5-minute charts. You can see here timing 10 10 10 20. So one chart will be about 5 minutes. So here the point indicate the starting opening price, and this indicate the closing. If the open is lower than closing of that 5 minutes, it will be uptrend, it will be green. If the opening is above the close, it will be downtrend, it will be red. And this line indicate what is the maximum price gone down in that particular 5 minutes, and this up line indicates what is the maximum price gone up. Okay, this is about candlestick: opening price, closing price, maximum price, lower price in that 5 minutes. Now I am selecting which is second one, bar chart. Bar chart is almost same as candlestick. The difference you can see here. Here only the bar will be the starting opening price, this will be closing price, and this will be the maximum down price, this will be the maximum up price. So it is almost same. It will be 5 minute, 10 minute, like that. If you put a 5 day, each will be almost like 2 hour, 3 hour. If it is a month, each chart will be a day wise. I am going away to 1 day. Now we can see what is the next one, color bar. This is same as bar chart. Difference is, if it is uptrend, it will be on green. If it is downtrend, if it is uptrend, it will be on green, and if it is on downtrend, it will be on red. And this white you can see, it indicate opening and closing price is almost same, so it will be white. Now you can see the next one, line chart. Line chart is made by connecting different dots. Each moment it will be a dot and it will be connected, so it will be a line. So if the line chart is going up, it is an uptrend. If it is on flat, it will be, there will be not much difference. You can see here, I am minimizing this one. Oh, sorry. Minimizing this one, you can see. Oh, throughout it is positive, so it can show. Okay, fine. Next we will go with another chart, hollow candlestick. Increase this one. This plus or minus you can use to increase. This is same as candlestick. If it is hollow, it will be on basically on uptrend. If it is filled, it will be basically on downtrend. You can go to the next one, mountain chart. Mountain I am selecting. Mountain is almost like a line chart, only the difference is the portion below this one will be filled with a color. It will help viewers to get a better visibility of movement of the equity. After mounted, it is baseline. This is one of the good chart used. Okay, it is not selected. Used by a intraday traders. This baseline, how it will be drawing is starting of the equity. You can see here they will start a line. They will draw a line. So it will help. If it is a price is going down the opening price, it will be below this trend line. If the price is going above the trend line, it is a positive. This line is basically on the starting of the opening price of the equity on that day. It will be helpful for the intraday traders. Next line we can see it's a holding candle. This is one of the best candle which can be useful for intraday traders. This how holding candle will work is if the volume is large, candlestick size will be larger. If the volume at the trading time is low, size will be smaller. Remaining all things same, like opening price, closing price, maximum price, lower price, everything remains same. Okay friends, these are the different charts available with angel broking. You, as per your convenience, you can select which chart will be useful for you. And this is only basic idea. If you want to understand more about the chart, you can easily Google it. You will get a more data. You can study it. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Bye.